Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Composer on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and you need to type over here Composer download. Just go to the official site of Composer. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here you will get this Composer setup.exe. You need to click on that to download that exe. It is right downloaded. Next thing that you will need is PHP. So open a new tab and just simply type PHP download. Just go to the official site of PHP again. Again, this link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you're here, you will get this PHP version 8.5.2 is available to download at the time of making of this video. We are going to download it for Windows, so that's why I have selected Windows. If you want to download it for Linux or Mac OS, you can change it from this drop down. Next, you need to scroll down and you will get this thread-safe one. So you need to download the zip file of thread-safe and it is rightly started downloading. And it is rightly downloaded. Just simply go to the download directory. So here is our PHP and our Composer. First, you need to install PHP first. So right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. So it's rightly extracted over here. Go inside that folder. You will get all files and folders over here. So what you need to do is you need to cut this folder and to go to your C drive and just paste it over here. And you can rename this. So rename it to a little shorter, something like PHP and then the version number. Next you can go inside and select this path and copy. And you need to set this to your environment variable. Go to search and type environ. That will show you edit the system environment variable. Click on that. Click on environment variable. Click on path and click on edit. Here just simply click on new and paste that PHP folder path over here. Now just simply click on OK, then again OK and again OK. And now you go to your download directory again. So our PHP is now rightly installed. Next it's time to install Composer. Just double click on it. Install for all users. Click on yes to provide administrative privileges. Here just simply click on next. And you can see that it has rightly recognized our PHP path over here. So that's why it is very important to install PHP before installing Composer. Once you have PHP installed, you can see that path is it going to recognize. Next, just simply click on next and click on next again, and it's ready to be installed. Click on install and our installation is rightly began and it is done as well. Just simply click on finish. So our Composer is now rightly installed. So let's verify it. Go to search and type cmd and open your command prompt, and here if you just simply type Composer and just simply hit enter, it's going to show you this prompt. So when you scroll up, you are going to see this Composer. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Composer and the version is 2.9.5 at the time of making of this video. So that's how you install Composer. Please do also follow my video on how to install Laravel, then CodeIgniter. That's going to really help you. And since we are talking about PHP, I highly recommend you to follow these WordPress tutorials as well. And if you're interested on Python, for that also I have created the School Python project playlist. So all these videos you can see are completely free again, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website with proper explanation as well. So to check all these different videos and also subscribe our channel and also join our community, that's going to really motivate me to make more these similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.